Okay, dear student, let's see what is there in this question. The variation with time t for an acceleration a of an object is shown. That at time t is equal to 0, the object is at rest. What is the speed of the object at t is equal to 8 seconds? So, although the question is quite simple, like it is talking about the topic A1, which is kinematics. So on the surface, it feels like the question should be very easy, but this question is not that easy because it is having a bit concept here. Listen to me. The first concept that you must keep in your mind is graph is given here. So number one, when graph is given, you are not supposed to use the SWOT equation. It is usually find the area or finding the slope. Number two that you have to keep in your mind is that whenever you see a graph, you have to see for the acceleration first of all. Is acceleration constant with respect to time? Well, in this case, clearly not, because the graph is given, and so acceleration is not constant. In fact, acceleration is a variable. So it is clearly a non-uniform acceleration case. Now, when it is non-uniformly accelerated motion, your all the SWOT equations and all the equations that you have learned in the topic A1, they are redundant for you. You cannot be using any of it. So all the SWOT equations anyways you can't use in this question. So I told you two very important points. Number one, when the graph is given, it is more about finding the area under the graph and finding the slope. Number two, you have to find whether the acceleration is constant or not. Now in this case, acceleration is not constant. It means that you can't be using any formula from the topic A1. So of course you would be finding the area, or in some cases you would be going for the slope. So in this case, acceleration time graph is given and the question is literally about the speed or the velocity. So we just need to find the area of this. Like you can even remember it, like acceleration is defined as v divided by t. So v is equal to a into t from the units and dimension point of view. So you would be multiplying area and time. It means you have to find the area here. So area up to 8 seconds. So it is this triangle that I have drawn. So you literally want to find the area of the triangle if you want to find the cumulative velocity here. So area here will be half into base into height. So height is also given as 8. Now, when you are picking some data from the graph, always be careful about the units here. Number one, the unit should always be SI unit. Many a times the length is given in centimeters and others, so you have to be very careful about it. So even here, the unit is SI, no doubt about it. Another thing that you have to keep in your mind is that many a times there is a multiplicating factor given here, like for example, acceleration multiplied by 10 raised to power negative 2. It is written in the units here. So usually students pick this value, like it is 8, so you just go for half into 8 into 8 and you get the wrong answer. Why? Because you forgot to have the multiplicating factor in your calculation. But in this case, clearly there is no multiplicative factor, so that doesn't matter. So your answer will be 64 divided by 2, and that will be 32. And the unit will definitely be meter per second square. You can clearly see if you would be, meter per second. So you can clearly see if you find the area, half is a constant, 8 here is having a unit second, and this 8 is having a unit meter per second square. So this second gets cancelled out, so your unit is coming out to be meter per second. So we have done it from the unit point of view also. Hence your answer should be 32 meter per second, and absolutely correct. That is the correct answer for this question. This is how we do this question, dear students. So by the way, I have the mark scheme of this question paper also. So I know that the answer is B, but I'm not showing it here. Okay then, all the best. Bye.